Now we will continue one more video. Applications of mole. What are the applications of mole concept? The first one, the chemical formula represents a mole. The chemical formula represents 1 mole of the substance. The chemical formula represents 1 mole of a substance. 1 mole of the substance. Chemical formula, like if you take the chemical formula means a symbolic representation of 1 molecule of a substance representing symbols and subscript numbers. If you take any number that is placed left side of chemical symbol or formula, any number which is placed in the left side of the symbol or chemical formula, that is called stoichiometric coefficient. This number, either integer or decimal or scientific notation, simply number of moles of that substance. Number of moles. Any number, for example, if you take 4 Ag, 4 NaCl, or 3 Na plus 2 NO3 minus ion, which indicates 4 moles of silver atom. 4 NaCl, 4 moles of sodium chloride or sodium chloride compound, sodium chloride salt. 3 moles of sodium ion, 2 moles of nitrate anion, like that. 2H2O, 2 molecules or 2 moles of water molecule, like that, which indicates when a number, the chemical formula represent 1 mole of the substance. When a number is written on the left side of the formula or symbol, that is simply stoichiometric coefficient. That number tells us number of moles of the substance. This is information about first application. And one more application is one more application. One more application. Second application is the formula mass. The formula mass in grams represents the mass of 1 mole of the substance. Second one is the formula mass in grams represents the mass of 1 mole of the substance. What is the formula mass, sir? The formula mass in grams represents the mass of the 1 mole of substance. 1 mole of the substance. Formula mass. What is formula mass? The sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a given formula is called formula mass. The formula mass is expressed in a grams are called gram formula mass. Simply, for example, now I am taking here formula mass expressed in grams is called gram formula mass. If you take example, sodium carbonate, 2 into sodium, 1 into carbon plus 3 into oxygen. Here 2 into sodium atomic mass is 23, 1 into carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. So 223 is 46 plus 12, 16 3 is 48. Okay, this value is 50, 60, 106. 106 is the formula mass of sodium carbonate. It can be expressed in a grams are called gram formula mass. The formula mass in grams represents the mass of 1 mole of the substance. That substance. For example, if you take here 106 grams represents a gram formula mass. In case AMU means only formula mass. Only formula mass. The formula unit mass of sodium carbonate is 106. The gram formula mass of sodium carbonate is 106 grams. Like that, for example, if you take 5, this is the mass of 1 mole of substance. This mass represents 1 mole of sodium carbonate. If you take 5 NaCl, which indicates 5 into 35.5 moles of sodium chloride. The mass. For example, if you take CaCO3, 5 CaCO3. If you take 5 CaCO3, how to represent this one? Okay, 5 into 100. This is 500 moles of sodium. That is 500 grams of calcium carbonate. This is the second application. Simply the formula mass in grams represents the mass of 1 mole of the substance. Thank you. We will continue one more application.